Good news is the National Weather Service has downgraded the winter storm warning across the area to a winter weather advisory. Not so much for the additional snow that's going to fall. That's going to be very little, maybe an inch in spots. We'll talk more about that. But we're going to be dealing with blowing and drifting here throughout the remainder of the afternoon and evening. But let's recap some of your snowfall totals. Big winners up to the north. Kokomo, Muncie right around 10 inches. Marion, as you work your way into Grant County, 9.2. McCordsville at 8.2. And Westfield was at 8 inches. Officially at the National Weather Service, 7.3. Broad Ripple right around 6.3. And then as you worked your way down to the south, snowfall totals were a lot lower once you got down to Paragon. As you worked your way into Morgan County, just about 4.5 inches. And all these numbers will continue to get tweaked here throughout the remainder of the afternoon, especially that National Weather Service number, as we're still dealing with some snow showers across parts of the area. The heaviest of the snow shower activity from Indianapolis eastward and still up to the north near Fort Wayne. But you notice the direction that these snow showers are going, these bands of snow. We're on the back side of the system, so they're working from north to south right now. And this whole system, as it starts to pull off to the east, will take these snow bands with it. So we'll look for the snow to decrease in coverage from west to east across the state throughout the remainder of the afternoon and evening. Snow beginning to come to an end in Lebanon. Still pretty good snow shower activity from Indianapolis, really all along Interstate 70 as you head out towards the Richmond area. Muncie, you're still dealing with quite a bit of snow, as is Hartford City. And then there's a brighter shade of white here right along 65 as you work from Shelbyville down towards Columbus. Pretty good snow shower that's taking place. And then basically coming to an end from Bloomington back towards Terre Haute. Here's your additional snowfall potential, again, east of Indianapolis, especially northeast, anywhere from about a half an inch to an inch of snow as you work your way back off to the west, mainly a trace amount of snow, and that should be just about it. Again, here's the area of low pressure. You see it spinning away. It's pushing off towards the east. The snow showers will continue to gradually come to an end throughout the remainder of the afternoon and heading into the evening hours, and by 9 o'clock, there'll be a few flurries around, but at this point, again, we're still dealing with a lot of blowing and drifting, not really any additional snowfall. So what's this all mean for you? Your evening commute, snow showers, certainly some slick spots on the roadways are a possibility, then overnight blowing and drifting of the snow, and for your morning commute as you get out on the roadways, just a few flurries. The wind increasing across the area, but 23-mile-per-hour wind gust in Lafayette, 18 in Bloomington. Your temperature, that currently sits at 31 degrees with a sustained wind out of the northwest at 16 miles per hour. And again, that wind will be the issue here throughout the remainder of the day. So some of the other temperatures here, we're holding pretty steady and not going to move much at all throughout the rest of the day today. 31 in Bloomington, 32 is the current temperature improved, but it feels like it's in the teens and 20s when you factor in that wind. So here's a look at your 7-day planning forecast. We'll get through today with the light snow that continues this afternoon. Tomorrow, a few snow showers, 37, and I think once the sun comes out Wednesday, temperature gets up to near 40 degrees. All the snow will be a distant memory, and certainly by the weekend, as we welcome all our guests for the Sweet 16 action here across the area. Temperatures will be in the 40s and 50s, so all this snow will be a distant memory by then. So we do have a nice warm-up in your forecast, as well as a return to the sunshine mark. Just be a little bit careful here this afternoon and evenings out on the roadways as we still have these snow showers and a little bit of blowing and drifting.